हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल नॉलेज विथ इंजीनियर्स। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के यूनिट 3 के 30 एमसीक्यूज जो आपके यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम्स के लिए यूज़फुल हो सकते हैं। इससे पहले कि हम वीडियो शुरू करें
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए।
सो आई होप कि आपने वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिया होगा।
नहीं।
और अगर नहीं किया है तो अभी कर दीजिए और हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द टाइप ऑफ राइटिंग? ऑप्शंस आर ए एक्सपोजिटरी राइटिंग, बी ग्रुप डिस्कशन राइटिंग, सी परसुएसिव राइटिंग, डी नैरेटिव राइटिंग। एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी ग्रुप डिस्कशन राइटिंग। Question 2, which of the following is not the type of expository writing? Options are A problem and solution, B cause and effect, C compare and contrast, D writing poems. And the correct option is D writing poems. Question 3, writing about traveling, memory or experience is a part of. Options are A expository writing, B descriptive writing, C persuasive writing, and D narrative writing. The correct option is B descriptive writing. Question 4, advertisement comes under which type of writing? Option A expository writing, B descriptive writing, C persuasive writing, D narrative writing. The correct option is C persuasive writing. Question 5, the kind of writing comprising works of imagination narration is called A fiction writing, B non-fiction writing, C poetry writing, D essay writing. The correct option is A fiction writing. Question 6, written account of another person's life is called A autobiography, B diary writing, C biography, D folk tale. The correct option is C biography. Question number 7, which of the following cannot be a stage of writing? Options are A thinking, B drafting, C revising, D editing. And the correct option is A thinking. Question number 8, concise summary of a given content is called A precise writing, B essay writing, C report writing, D diary writing. The correct option is A precise writing. Question 9, which of the following is not a feature of precise writing? Options are A clarity, B correction, C completeness, D complexity. And the correct option is D complexity. Question 10, logical and clear interconnection of ideas in a written piece of work is termed as A conciseness, B objectivity, C coherence, D correctness. And the correct option is C coherence. Question number 11, the first sentence of a paragraph expressing its essential idea is termed as A concluding sentence, B title sentence, C topic sentence, D supporting sentence. And the correct option is C topic sentence. Question number 12, dash bring coherence in a paragraph. Options are A prepositions, B transition words, C articles, D compound words. And the correct option is B transition words. Question number 13, which of the following is not an example of transition words? Options are A as a result of, B in another words, C ladies and gentlemen, D on the account of. And the correct option is C ladies and gentlemen. Question number 14, which of the following is not an essential element of a good paragraph? Options are A unity, B order, C coherence, and D conciseness. And the correct option is D conciseness. Question number 15, which sentence of a paragraph should summarize the entire paragraph? Options are A concluding sentence, B topic sentence, C title sentence, D supporting sentence. Correct option is A concluding sentence. Question number 16, which of the following is the longest part of an essay? Options are A title, B introduction, C body, D conclusion. And the correct option is C body. Question number 17, which of the following is not a rule of precise writing? Option A always having a heading, B use an extensive vocabulary as possible, C remove any irrelevant information present in the original passage, D do not use any short forms or abbreviations. The correct option is B use an extensive vocabulary as possible. Question number 18, which of these should be avoided in a precis? A imagery, B. verbs, C. pronouns, D. indirect speech. And the correct option is A. imagery. Question number 19. Dash in a speech must be avoided in a summary. Options are A. facts, B. ideas, C. repetition, D. verbs. The correct option is C. repetition. Question number 20. What are supporting sentences? Options are A. reasons, examples, and other details that support the main point of the paragraph. B. a way to conclude the paragraph so that the reader knows what the paragraph was about. C. signal words that help organize a paragraph using time order or listening order. D. a series of paragraphs about one main idea or point. The correct option is A. reasons, example, and other details that support the main point of the paragraph. Question number 21. What is a paragraph? Options are A. made up of only one sentence, B. a series of sentences that talk about a specific subject, C. a series of sentences that talk about various subjects, D. a series of paragraphs about one main idea or point. The correct option is B. a series of sentences that talk about a specific subject. Question number 22. What is an essay? Options are A. a series of paragraphs about one main idea or point, B. the final stage in the writing process, C. an excellent way to get lot of information down on the paper, D. the sentence that express the main point or idea paragraph. And the correct option is A. a series of paragraphs about one main idea or point. Question number 23. The conclusion of an essay should, options are A. include last minute ideas and thoughts for the future, B. have a restatement of the thesis and thoughts for the future, C. be a recap of the whole essay, D. be only two sentences. The correct option is B. have a restatement of the thesis and thoughts for the future. Question number 24. What is the first step in the writing of an essay? Options are A. plan the essay, B. proofread the essay, C. cite evidence, D. draft the essay. The correct option is A. plan the essay. Question number 25. Which of the following transition can be used in conclusion? Options are A. in addition, B. similarly, C. for example, and D. in short. The correct option is D. in short. Question number 26. Which of the following transition signal contrast? Options are A. as a result, B. accordingly, C. due to, D. on the other hand. And the correct option is D. on the other hand. Question number 27. This type of writing tells a story. Options are A. expository writing, B. descriptive writing, C. persuasive writing, D. narrative writing. The correct option is D. narrative writing. Question number 28. You read a news story about an earthquake in another country. It gives the fact about where, when, who, how, and what. What type of writing is it? Options are A. expository writing, B. descriptive writing, C. persuasive writing, D. narrative writing, and the correct option is A. expository writing. Question number 29. You have lived an interesting life so far, so you write your autobiography. What type of writing is it? Options are A. expository writing, B. descriptive writing, C. persuasive writing, and D. narrative writing. The correct option is D. narrative writing. Question number 30. You write a business letter to a company telling them how your latest products are of superior quality. What type of writing is it? Options are A. expository writing, B. descriptive writing, C. persuasive writing, and D. narrative writing. Correct option is C. persuasive writing.